We're back, and this time we don't have makeup. We have hair. We got a wig, y'all. This wig is from Gorgius Hair. Gorgeous hair? Gorgeous. Okay, this is where it's from. I'm just taking it out. I did take a peek in the box. I'm not gonna lie, but I haven't taken it out yet. Oh my gosh, there's like one blonde hair. We're gonna try it on. We're gonna try it on, but first I gotta get my hair down. It's really not that different from my actual hair because it's curly with bangs, and that's pretty much my normal style, except the curl pattern is a different curl pattern. So I think in a couple weeks I'm going to color this and add some bright fun fashion colors into it. Maybe green, I'm thinking green, maybe pink. Maybe pink. So it also comes with a little baggie to store your wig in later when you're not wearing it, and some other little goodies. A wig cap, the edge brush, which is nice. Can never have too many of those. Got some bobby pins, nice, because I'm like running low. A pair of tweezers, that's always nice to have too. Can't have too many of those. And then we got an elastic. I don't have any idea how to use elastics this size. So this wig, it has no lace, there's no glue, so we don't have to use that. And this piece, I really don't know what maybe this, is this just extra? I'm thinking that this is just extra in case this breaks, because what the fuck, what the fuck? I'm not an advanced wig wearer, but whatever. Okay, so I'm going to wet my hair down and get it brushed out.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything.
Now let's put on this wig. These are always so hard for me to get on my big ass head, bro. It makes me feel like I got a huge head.
Show you that I'm digging you.
Okay, and then if you want, you can secure the wig cap with like 2 pins. I don't know about y'all, but for me, wig caps always be sliding to the back of my head because I guess my head's just too big. We're braided down, we got our wig cap on. Now we gotta get our wig on. So it's super easy, just got some combs, like some combs, go in there, you know, and yeah, let's get it popping. Here we go. Wait, cute. Ooh. This is it's actually a different vibe than my curl, so it is kind of a different vibe. But we're gonna wet this down, put some curly products in it, and maybe cut the bangs. Soft. Super, there's no tangles in this. I haven't washed it yet though, so. Definitely some shedding. Ooh. A little bit of X Mondo curl cream. This is what I use on my natural curl. Discount code Anyupanyo if you're interested in trying out X Mondo products, any of the hair products or the color products or the curly products. Use code Anyupanyo for discount this holiday season. Great gifts, I'm telling you. I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna cut it a little bit and I shall be back.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity,
Right, yeah, this is super good. I'm shook. Ooh, I really like it. I do think I'm gonna just keep kind of customizing it a little bit until I get it exactly how I want it. And then putting some fun like bright colors, maybe pink, maybe blue, maybe orange actually. Maybe, I don't know. beginner's wig for sure, because there's no gluing down. It's super easy to put on, take off, store. You can wear it every day, to be honest, and it'd be super easy to pop on and off. I tried to put it in a cute little half up. Ooh. This is my favorite hairstyle. I wear this with my natural hair a lot, and this looks natural for sure. For sure. Look how cute. Okay, wait, now I can see where I need some more layers. Oh, super cute. And it can be straightened, and the curl pattern will not be destroyed, so you can get it re-wet and the curl will come right back. So we're gonna test out right now. Let me get my hot tool plugged in right quick. Hold up. Fun fact, I had to actually go borrow this from the salon because I don't even own a flat iron because I never straighten my hair, and I was like, we gotta test this out though. So I went over to work, borrowed one of these, and then I gotta bring it back in the morning. So maybe it's time for me to go buy one because looks like I'm gonna need it. Looks like I'm gonna need it. I wanna see how much hair I cut off of this. We cut a whole bunch off so that we can make it nice and customized. Here we go. It really does look like my natural hair. It's just a little bit of a looser texture. All right, let's see. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, hot enough. Ow, that's gonna burn for days. That's gonna burn every time it hits hot water. Every time the blow dryer hits, that's gonna burn for so freaking long. Ow. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna straighten this piece right here in the front. And then we're gonna curl it back up with some water. See how it does with the little straighten test, okay? This piece is nice and straightened, and it's nice and long. Even though I just cut stuff off of it. I think it was an 18-inch wig. Don't quote me on that. Not all of that. Oh my god, this is already starting to blister. Fuck. Oh. All of that will be in the description. There's also a discount code using the code ONYOURPONYO if you want a discount off of this brand. Don't forget to get yours. Great Christmas gifts, you know. Now's the time. Okay, so it's nice and straight, and we're gonna now spray it and see it come back to life, okay? You gotta get it nice and soaked for the curl pattern to come back. It's coming back. Wait, let's see. It is, ooh, it's almost completely back. So it does curl back up. That's good. Sometimes you'll be buying these wigs and they say that you can straighten them, and you go to straighten them and then they never curl back up. So yeah, this has curled back up really nicely. So we're gonna let it dry and make sure that it curls completely back up to the same exact texture, not like a looser texture. It looks, you can't even see where I straightened it. Can you? I can't. Nope. So yeah, it all curls back up and straightens nice, and it was nice and soft too when it was straight. So it straightens nice, curls back up nice. We're gonna lighten it and color it in a couple of weeks so we can test whether or not it lightens nicely. You know what they say, not to lighten hair, but look, we're pros here, so we're gonna lighten it. It's already kind of like my normal natural look. So we're gonna make this more fun and put some colors into it, something I can't do with my natural hair because I don't color my natural hair because it can't take it. It cannot take it. It can't take it. Please, yes, I love this wig. It is super cute. I'm gonna wear it to work and see if anyone notices. Super cute. We're gonna try to straighten the whole thing, see how it looks. And like if we can do a half up, half down while it's straight, that is the real test of all, right? Is to see if we could get a half up while it's straight. So anyways, if you like this video and you want more of these videos, comment down below, give it a like, subscribe, all of the things. And it's getting really freaking hot. I gotta film some other stuff. Whew. So yeah, deuces.